Hello. So what is the CiBNP Research Training Program? The CiBNP Research Training Program is an online, 100% online or remote research training program for anyone who wants to learn research. You can be at any level of research. Let's say you know something about research, or let's say you don't know anything about research. This program is for you. The only person this program is not for is who is already well accomplished in research. So what will be covered? From the beginners level to the intermediate level and to the advanced level, all of these concepts are covered. So if you have no idea about research, then go for it. If you have some idea of research, then go for it. So what is covered in this program? It has passive learning and active learning component. By passive learning, we mean that you will learn all the concepts of research that are needed at this stage. Like, what is research? Types of research, research methodology, research method, research design, animal research, in vitro, case reports, case series, cross-sectional, case control, cohort, retrospective cohort, prospective cohort, clinical trials, randomized, non-randomized control trial, review articles, like traditional review, scoping reviews, mapping reviews, systematic reviews. All of these concepts are covered. Some basics of meta-analysis are also covered, but detailed meta-analysis is covered in another program, that is the comprehensive meta-analysis program. And if you're interested in that one, we will talk about that later. Now, this was the passive learning part. Now, what is the active learning part? The active learning part means that you will actually be working on a real systematic review or a traditional review as the first author in the specialty of your own choice with your own hands. You write it and you complete it, and then you submit it for publication to a journal. And you also collaborate with other students that we have. In this way, you could be a part of multiple projects. Yes, you complete those papers, you collaborate with each other, and then you submit it for publication. And then the journal will decide, the reviewers of the journal will decide if your paper will go for a publication or not. Yes, so we do not give a guarantee of publication because this program is about learning. We are here to teach you, to make you ready so that you can produce a manuscript, but the final decision is always of the journal. Now, another reason we cannot give a guarantee is that when you joined your medical school in your first year or any university, did they give you a guarantee that you will definitely get a degree? Did they give you a guarantee that you will definitely become a doctor? No. But it was understood, if you attend the classes, you work hard, you take absolute responsibility, then you become a doctor. And if you pass the exam, right? Same thing is over here. You produce the paper, you attend the classes, but the final decision depends on the reviewer's decision. They are like your examiner. So that's why we cannot give a guarantee, but we can help you in teaching everything that is needed to produce a paper, a high quality paper, and then submit it. And of course, rejection is always a possibility. If your paper is rejected, we'll tell you the strategy, what to do next. But just learn and take responsibility. Now, you can collaborate with other students that we have. And for collaboration, you follow the CiBNP guidelines so that you can justify the co-authorship. Just because somebody was your classmate doesn't mean that you can co-author with that person. You have to justify the co-authorship and make sure everything is done ethically. Now, we have 3 kinds of programs for you. We have a 2-month program, 4-month, and a 6-month program. In the 2-month program, you work on one project as the first author in the specialty of your own choice, and you collaborate with 4 or 5 people total. So 4 or 5 projects total you work on, and then you all submit to a journal of your choice. And then wait for the publication. If accepted, wonderful. If not, then we will teach you the strategy, how you can increase your chances of publication. Then the 4-month program, it has double features. That means you will have more course material to learn, some more advanced knowledge, but you work on 2 first author papers now in the specialty of your own choice and 8 to 10 papers altogether. And the same thing, you all collaborate following the CiBNP guidelines and submit it to the journal and wait for the publication. If the journal accepts it, wonderful, congratulations. If not, then we will teach you the strategy, how you can increase the chances of publication. Now, then the 6-month program. it will have three times the features. That means you work on 3 first author papers and 12 to 15 papers altogether. Usually 12, I would say. If you're lucky, you may get a bigger group, but usually we keep a number of 12 in the 6-month program. And again, you guys learn, complete the project, and submit. So that's how these programs are divided: 2-month, 4-month, 6-month. And now for the publication, we have both options for you. We'll teach you how to find a journal, what are different kinds of journals, how to stay away from bad journals, what to do, what not to do, how to look for good journals, XYZ. We'll teach you everything. That's how the program is completed. And for more information, talk with us, our team members, or with me on the phone call, and we will tell you more details about the program. If you have any question, just send us a message. Thank you.